Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. So today's video is going to be a mail haul Monday, and oh my goodness, I have missed you guys so much. I did take a little small break just to kind of end out the year because we've had so many projects going on with our house. If you guys don't follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, I have been posting some photos, so I'll leave a link down below for those handles as far as if you want to follow me. But long story short, me and Snow have lived in this house for 4.5 years. We bought our home as a foreclosure, and we have just been doing every single room, getting it to where it's a room. It was a really bad house when we first got it. And now we're getting to the point where we're actually decorating it, which is so exciting for me. Basically, we've just had rooms full of stuff since we've lived here. But I definitely want to keep you guys updated on kind of like our home decor journey and like finishing all of our rooms. So there'll be lots of videos coming up. I did before and afters of our guest room. And next we're actually going to be working on our living room. We bought a couch the other day and it will be delivered in 4 weeks. So I'm really excited. But anyways, before I keep on rambling, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, so Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. Also, make sure to hit the bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. And without further ado, there's so many new releases that I've received in the mail, which I'm so appreciative of, and I cannot wait to swatch them and share them with you guys. So let's get started. I need a makeup remover wipe. Ugh. Okay, so I do want to say before we open all these packages, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for all of your support in 2018 and all the brands that supported me. I am so excited for this new year and I cannot wait to see what's in store for my channel. So, okay, now let's dive in. The first package that I got came from Huda Beauty. I haven't even opened this up, but I've been seeing people use these and they look absolutely gorgeous. And I love how she always puts her stuff in like plastic bubble wrap packages. Okay. So they sent this little thing over, which kind of looks like a little mini purse that's like pink neon. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, let's see if I can get them out. A little difficult. I am so freaking hot right now. Okay, so here's what these look like. So they are two-sided right here, and these are the new matte and metal melted eyeshadows. So it says, reveal a world of glitz and glam with Huda Beauty's revolutionary matte and metal eyeshadows. 2 shadow finishes, matte and metallic, united in a dual-ended, easy-to-use bottle that makes looking fabulous simple so you can enjoy a glass of bubbly or board that private jet that you just booked. Rich and creamy matte pigments, intense metallic shimmery shadows, blend it out or build it up. Whether you're looking for a colorful smoky eye or a graphic metallic wing, experiment with our various shades and textures to nail the perfect look for the most outrageous moments. It's your turn in the spotlight. So I'm very excited to swatch these. So it looks like they sent over 5 different shades, and I'm pretty sure that's how many are in the collection. So this one caught my eye the most because this is like a more neutral one. Okay, so this one is Pink Champagne. So the first in that you have looks like this. It looks like an applicator for a lipstick almost. Ooh, okay. And so here's what that looks like. As you can see, it's a nice baby pink shade. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Here's what the pink shade looks like. It is a pink glitter. Those are gorgeous. So that's Pink Champagne. All right, next we're gonna do the nude one. And this one's called Bamboo Hoops. I'm excited to see how these do. I think maybe we should do a first impression of them, because I'm not used to using cream shadows on my eyelids, but we'll see. So this is Bamboo Hoops. Really pretty and sparkly. Next one is a really pretty red shade. It's Hot Sauce. Very fitting. Okay. Oh, so that's a really different shade. It's almost like a, I don't know, it's like a red shade, but it's almost like an orangey undertone maybe. I don't know how to describe it. I really like the shade though. It's very unique. Okay, and then there is the matching shade that goes with it. Okay, next we have Shimmering Sunset. This is a really pretty baby pink. It's a little bit pinker than the first one. So there is that right there. And lastly, we have Bubblegum, which is a really pretty purpley shade. Ooh, so there's that. And then there's that purple. These are so pretty and like so unique. I cannot wait to use them. I wonder if it has the retail price. It doesn't have the retail price, but I'm pretty sure these already released. So I will leave them linked down below for you guys. Beautiful. The very next package came from Glasses USA. You guys, I'm so obsessed with these. So they actually sent over these Tom Ford sunglasses, and not only are they sunglasses, but they are actually prescription glasses. I've partnered with them in the past. I'll leave a video link down below to the video, but they're an online site that sells glasses, and you can do prescription glasses, and they have a really nice feature where you can like try them on and everything. Here's what the glasses look like. As you can see, they have like the signature T in the front, and then as you can see, they have a beautiful detail in the siding. These are like very oversized, and I love them. They're super big and just like so fashionable. And I love the fact that I actually have sunglasses whenever I drive that are actually really cute. Like these are glasses that I would wear normally, even if they didn't have prescription in them. So I'm so excited to have these. And again, thank you to Glasses USA for that package. Oh, and thank you Huda Beauty. Sorry, it's been so long since I filmed. I totally forgot to thank them. So thank y'all so much. And yeah, I'll leave a link down below for these too. So the next package I'm super excited about. This came from Becca Cosmetics. Okay, so this is the new Becca Cosmetics collection. I believe this is already in stores. Is this not so freaking cute? Okay, so there's two different sides. You have a side that's more like lighter shades, and then you have a side that's more darker shades, which I love that. Some of Becca's products I have just been using and abusing lately. I love the big Be a Light palette. I use that very often. Which one do I want to open first? All right, so here are the first things. These are what I was most excited about in this collection. These are the Bronze, Blush, and Glow palettes, and they look absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness. I love the new just like look that Becca's going with these raised pans. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, so here's the first one. Is that not gorgeous? I cannot wait to swipe these. These are about to be like all the time on my vanity. I love a good glow. Oh, and it has a bronzer too. Yes, Becca. Oh my gosh, I love this already. Okay, so here's that. Oh, so gorgeous. I think this is the lighter palette. So yes, this is the darker one, but oh my goodness, with a tan, these are going to look so beautiful. I'm so glad they did one that was like more darker tone too. Already obsessed. Look at that peachy shade. This is probably so far one of my favorite Becca collections. Not even kidding. Like this right here is everything. Oh, give y'all a close up of this beautifulness. Okay, so there's the darker side. Oh yes, Becca, this is probably like my favorite collection. I live for Becca products. I still have the Jaclyn Hill Becca collab with like the 3 pans of blush and the 2 highlights. I love them. Look how just beautiful these are. So yes, that is the face palettes or blush, bronzer, highlight palettes. So then they came out with this Sweethearts glow letters, and there's a brand that makes something similar to this. Maybe it's Skirlon, but they have these little X and O's and hearts, and you like stick your brush down in here. I'm just gonna like swipe my hand over this. It's actually a really pretty color. It's like a bronzy glow. So I've never used something like this, but I definitely want to try it out because I think it's a cool concept. And obviously it's super cute. The last thing are the lipsticks. And I don't remember Becca having just like a regular lipstick formula. I don't have any lipsticks like them. I have their glosses, which I love, but this is the shade Brave. Really beautiful red shade. Then we have a nude shade. This nude shade looks beautiful. This is Cupid's Kisses. And last but not least, we have Yours Truly. So 2 nudes, 2 reds. So this collection's obviously fabulous. I cannot wait to play with it. And thank you again to Becca Cosmetics for that amazing package. Okay, next package came from Octoly and Kevyn Aucoin Beauty. Look at this. This is so beautiful. This is their newest eyeshadow palette, and I have been wanting to try this for quite some time. It is their NUDEPOP, but it has more purples in it, which you guys know I love. So here's what it looks like. Actually, my lid color today is this one right here, this beautiful, beautiful pinky shade, and the packaging is so cute. So we are going to go ahead and swatch this. Woohoo! Gorgeous. So gorgeous. Look at those shades. I really do like Kevyn Aucoin's eyeshadow formula. I have a few of the palettes and they're really nice. So there are those. Gorgeous. I like barely even touch this gold and it is just stunning. So there are those. Oh, I cannot get over how beautiful this palette is. Very last row. Here are these. The purple looks a little bit lighter than I would like, but still looks really pretty. Now I will say with the pink shade that I have on my lids, this row is like the not as pigmented as the other ones. I did really have to use my finger for that pink shade. I tried to use a brush like I normally would, and it just wasn't going on very good. The brush wasn't picking it up very well, so I did use my finger, but I am really excited to play with this palette more. So thank you so much to Octoly and Kevyn Aucoin. This is so exciting. Okay, next we have a package from First Aid Beauty. It says Fab to the Rescue. This is so cute. Okay, it has two different products. So we have the Ultra Repair Barrier Cream, and then, oh, 3 products. Okay, I feel something wiggling around in here. First thing we have is the Ultra Repair Barrier Cream. This is a light as air moisturizer that rebuilds and strengthens the barrier, making the bad stuff stay out while keeping moisture and essential lipids in. So there's this. Then we have a Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil. So this is it says twice daily after cleansing, apply 2 to 3 drops to palms, use alone or under moisturizer. I love face oils, so this is exciting. I think this is the first one that they've came out with. Then we have a Fab Skin Retinol Eye Cream. So thank you so much to First Aid Beauty. You guys already know how I feel about First Aid. They're one of my favorite, especially sensitive skin brands for skincare. My mom loves them, so thank you so much. And I love them too, obviously, but. Okay, next package came from Pixie Beauty. They sent over this right here. It looks like a little present box. It's so cute. And let's see what this is. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so how cute. Oh my gosh. Pixie always comes through. Okay, so this says Pixie Skin Treats, and then it says Danielle's Glow Tonic. And it is a little tray. It's like a glass tray. Does it come out of this? Oh my gosh, it does. It does come out of this. This is so cool. It's like a little tray you can put on your vanity, and it has your little pads on it and your Glow Tonic. This is so cute. I'm definitely going to set this somewhere and display it or put it on my vanity. But I love this. Thank you so much, Pixie, for this cute package. I'm gonna set it right behind me for right now. Maybe you'll be part of my new background. I am trying to work on my background, you guys. I want a different background. I don't know what yet, but it's in the works. Package came from Urban Decay. It says, life is messy, your makeup shouldn't be. Ooh. So they sent over 2 all-nighter setting sprays, which, you guys, I needed this. I actually just ran out of mine. I love this stuff to set my makeup all over. Oh, and they sent a little notepad too. Look how cute. It says, when your commute becomes your workout. Oh, and it has like different things on it. This is cute. Okay, I'm actually going to spray this right now because your girl's in need. Okay, very last package came from Hush. It says Danielle. Oh, holidays greeting. It was like your Christmas present. This is so cute. Dear Danielle, wishing you happy holiday season and a wonderful new year. A little gift from Hush to you. Here are a few goodies to help you glam it up this holiday season. Thank y'all. That is so sweet. So one thing I see they sent over is the Creme Shop. It's a Hello Kitty headband. This is so cute. I love headbands because we have a hot tub at our house. And so at nighttime, I like to just put my hair like all the way up to get in it. And then they sent over 2 different palettes. And then we have some really beautiful eyelashes. Oh my goodness, these are really pretty. These are by Muse, I think. Look how cute. Not cute, they're beautiful. All these are really pretty. And then they sent over a mascara and a highlighter. So thank you guys so much. And you guys, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. I wanted to kind of space this video out just a little bit because honestly, right after the holidays and then right into January, things kind of slow down in regards to like PR, I feel like. So if I don't have enough to do a full video, there'll be one the next week. So I just want to kind of put that out there. Don't think I'm slacking on videos. That is not what is going on. So hopefully we can keep it going every single Monday. And then, okay. Oh, shoot. Like leopard print siding. Not leopard. It says Becca BFF. Malika? Okay, I probably didn't. Sorry, my camera cut me off. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.